Now let's take a few minutes to brainstorm and formulate research questions related to the given research topic. Remember to consider the 5 W's approach to guide your thinking. Our interest of research is the impact of social media on teenagers' mental health. If we take into account the 5 W's, first we have who. Let it be the teenagers who actively use social media platforms. Then for what, we have the impact of social media usage on various aspects of mental health, such as self-esteem, anxiety, depression, and body image. Then when, and that can be the impact occurs during the teenage years, a critical period for social, emotional, and development. And in case of where does the impact occurs? Primarily in the online environment, including social media platforms like Instagram, Snapchat, and TikTok, etc. And lastly, why? And why does it happen? As social media affects teenagers' mental health, either due to factors such as social comparison, cyberbullying, fear of missing out, and exposure to unrealistic beauty standards. By considering all the questions that came into our mind while taking into account the 5 W's approach, we will formulate a research question. With all the brainstorming, I formed the research question, that is, what is the relationship between social media usage and self-esteem among teenagers in the United States? And how do factors such as social comparison and cyberbullying contribute to this relationship? This here we have our very own research question.